Welcome back to Estate Finds. This is a vintage Defiance by Stanley hand drill. Does anybody know what this is? That's exactly what it looks like, because that's exactly what it is. Metal. Okay? Wooden knob, wooden handle. This piece was loose on it, but I put it back and it seems to be holding. Big metal gear there. It turns the chuck and turns the bit. It has this bit in it, which is broken, but it's there. And you turn the drill. And you can drill a hole manually. That's it. Polished handle. I mean, this is it. Let's see. It says made in USA, of course. That's all it says. Defiance by Stanley. The chuck, you kind of hold the drill like this. And let me, in fact, turn it this way so I can hold it a little better. And this will unscrew. You got to watch that you don't get your thumb pinched in the gear as you turn it. And this unscrews quite a ways. And there's your bit free, just like that. Now, I don't know what size chuck this is or what it takes. I used to have a set of drill bits down here, but I think I actually did the right thing and put them away. I have some hex-shanked ones. I don't know if they'll fit this. We can try it. Otherwise, we can try this Brokendy one. Because for a small hole like that, I think it'll be fine. Alright, let me see what I got. I was smart. I didn't put away the drill bits, so that way I could find it in the last place it was, which was right here. So that's handy. I've never used a hand drill. I've seen them, and I don't have the right setup here. This is kind of a little wibbly wobbly, so I don't know how the fuck that's going to go. This hole here is already too small, so that's good. So I guess we could start a new one, or we can drill out one of the smaller ones. Is that one the same size as that? Yeah. So, alright, well, I guess we'll try one here. It's cutting, man. Well, that was freaking effortless. Now, this is thin stuff. That was absolutely effortless. Wow, that was great. I guess we'll do a couple more. Ha! Not bad. Not bad. The power, you know, an electric drill definitely does the job a lot faster, but hey. Look at that. Right through. Wow. Obviously, if you're drilling a much larger hole, they had bigger ones of these things that had like a friggin' crank on the damn thing, so you get some more leverage. But, wow. This is one hell of a little machine. I gotta say, that really works friggin' well. Look at that bit twirl around. And obviously, if I put a little oil or grease on the gears, this would turn even smoother. And, wow. This is obviously small stuff, and that was a thin piece of wood. But even so, it shows what you really can do. I'll put this old knackered bit back in here because it came with it. It's amazing what you can do by hand. like that with the help of a simple machine like this. Made to last forever. Obviously, if you left this outside and the rain got to the wood and all that, but if you kept it in a garage or in a shed or something like that, 70 years, this has got to be from probably the 50s sometime, I would think. I'm guessing on that. This could have been late 50s or maybe really early 60s, so we'll call it 50s to 60s. Defiance by Stanley. Hand drill. Damn. This is actually way more fun drilling a hole than I ever imagined. It really was quite effortless. I was very impressed by that. Comfortable, the hole, it's just ergonomic, it's all there. It's just got ticks every last box. Excellent, excellent piece. Anyway, that's all I got for this one. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.